Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Lubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Lubuntu official website, that is lubuntu.me. Then click on downloads. See here we have the Lubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version, and see here we have the desktop 64-bit. So click on this 64-bit to download. Then click on see desktop image. So click on 64-bit PC desktop image. Click on it to download. See download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 3.2 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here I have already downloaded. Okay, in your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then select the installer disk image file. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See here I have the Lubuntu 24.04.3 ISO image. Select it. Then click on next. Now select the type guest operating system type as Linux. Then version select Ubuntu because we don't have the Lubuntu. Okay. So select Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving 24.04.3. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on OK, click on next. Now we have to provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, these are the virtual machine settings. If you want to change any one of them, any one of these options, you have to click on customize hardware. I am okay with all the settings. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you have to provide here. Okay, if you're okay with all the settings, just click on power on this virtual machine. Now use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Lubuntu, and hit enter. See here we have two options, try Lubuntu or install Lubuntu. Try Lubuntu is just live environment. Install Ubuntu is permanent. Okay, so in this video I am going to install permanent. So we have to click on install Ubuntu. Before that, select the language from this list. I am okay with this English, United States, internet connected. Then click on install Ubuntu. Now we have to select the language from this list. See, these are the available languages. Okay, I am okay with American English. Then click on next. Now we have to select the location or time zone. See, this is the region, okay, and zone, or you can select on this globe. Okay, so click on next. Keyboard model, this is a keyboard model, and if you want any one of these you can select. I am going with the default. Then select language, then click on next. Now we have to select the installation mode. See here, full installation, normal installation, minimal installation. Okay, if you select full installation, all features will be selected. If you select minimal, those will be gone. Normal installation, optionally you can select any one of these options. I am going with normal installation. I don't want to select this. And see here, additional options, download and install updates for updates following installation. I don't want to download and install updates. Later we can update. Okay, so unselect it and click on next. See, this is the fresh installation, so select erase disk and click on next. Or also see here, swap to file or no swap. Also we have these options to select. Okay, then click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. I'm giving user name as user full name. This is the user full name. This is the username. This is the computer name or host name. Later also you can change this host name or computer name. Then provide the password for this user. then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, you have to click on back and you can edit. I'm okay with all the settings, so come forward, then click on install. This is the confirmation. See, the Lubuntu installer is about to make changes to your disk. In order to install Lubuntu 24.04 LTS, you will be not able to undo these changes. Okay, so if you want to modify, click on back and you can edit. Otherwise, if you are okay with all the settings, then just click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now we have to keep the checkbox, that is restart now, and click on done. See the message, please remove the installation medium, then press enter. Okay, so right click on this virtual machine, go to settings, then go to CD DVD, then unselect the checkboxes. We have to unselect it, then click on OK, then click on this virtual machine and hit enter to reboot the Lubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Now provide the password and hit enter. Now open terminal, click on menu, then go to system tools, then select the Q terminal. Now verify the version that we have installed. More /etc os-release. See, we have installed 24.04.3 LTS. Its code name is Noble numbered. Okay, control the first. Now verify the IP of this machine. ifconfig. See, ifconfig not found, but we can get the IP address by running ip-addr. See, this is the IP of the machine, but we can get the ipconfig by running this command. So install it, sudo apt install net-tools, net-tools. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Now run ifconfig. Sorry. So you got the IP address. Okay. So next step is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. See, all packages are up to date. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Lubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.